Nah lie. Guys, you need to comment and tell me what you think about this thing. Comment and let me know if you ever have dumpling and butter. Take some. Nah, too craving. Oh, if you tell a lot of people about this because I don't want it done. Oh shit, you on? Oh, what's good YouTube? What's good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kevin and I'm there with our next video. Yeah, I'm here with another video. You see me? First and foremost, big up to everybody, you see me, who watch my video. Big up to everybody at Jamaica. Big up to everybody all over the world, you see me. Welcome to all the new subscribers. And big up to all the old subscribers, you see me. So, I always hear people talk about dumpling and butter. Oh, dumpling and butter this, dumpling and butter that. I've never tried it. I've never eaten it, you see me. I never eat it. I never consume it, whichever you guys want to say, you see me. So today I decided that, you know what? I'm going to try dumpling and butter and see how it tastes, you see me? For the first time, you see me? Because I don't know, man, you see me? I have to try it, you see me, and see how it tastes and if I would eat it again, you see me? So I consume it, whichever you guys want to do, you see me? But I'm going to try it for the first time, you see me? So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you see me? And hit that post notification bell, you see me? And leave it down in the comment section what you guys think about this video. So let's get into the video. Sheesh. So guys, welcome back. Welcome back. So, as you can see, I'm here with my dumpling and butter. My dumpling they're not ugly.
Cap. Stop the cap right now! Stop the cap! No.
My dumpling they're not ugly. As you can see, the butter they warm up the butter in the microwave. I have some iced tea here. You see me? I have some iced tea. Wish me they have 2 lines to make some sugar and water, you see me? Jamaican routine, but I have a look at iced tea, yeah. Kinda have a look at sugar and water, you see me? Leave in the comment section if you look like sugar and water, but it's actually iced tea, you see me? I have 3 dumplings here. Normally, I have 5 flour, you see me? I have 3, so I have 3 here, and I have the butter. You see me? I have the butter. I don't know if the butter should have well do, or what, because it's my first time, so I don't know. So let's get into this video. Dumpling and butter. My first time trying it. So, I don't know what to expect. I only open around my belly. You see me? But me I cut up the flour for? Really hard man style now. I not cut up nothing, you know. Man not cut flour. So, put some here so. What about it? That's why I eat with fork, you know, man. Cause that thing here. No now, yes. Father, please don't make this food run my belly when I name it. Please. I beg you. Don't make it run my belly. Alright. Cross my heart. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. I always hear people talk about dumpling and butter. So, you know what? I try it. I try it on camera. Let's see. Whoa. So, let's see. Dumpling and butter. I guess me done miss something then, man. Cause it don't taste bad. Wow. Dumpling and butter. Not bad. I should take up 5 flour then. This not bad. I go run my belly after. Guys, big up to everybody with them say dumpling and butter nice. This is actually my first time trying it. I cook stew chicken and dumpling. What am I saying now, huh? Let me try the dumpling and butter thing. Not bad. Dumpling and butter. Nah lie. I should have tried this long time, but I have a hiccup. But nah lie, this shit tastes really good. This tastes good. Nah lie. Dumpling and butter? Where were you? Why you know me just a hear about you? Right now, I believe at this. I go cook for my woman on Valentine's Day. Dumpling and butter. If you don't want to eat this with me, go through the door. Dumpling and butter thing, yeah. Wicked. Real yard style. Whoa. Guys, take it from me. Whoa. If you never named dumpling and butter before, or eat or consume dumpling and butter before, you're missing out something. I believe me no want no more chicken or lobster or nothing nice like this. Take it from Kevin. Dumpling and butter. I believe we all need to try it. Okay. It may look disgusting, but looks are deceiving. This dumpling and butter thing, yeah. I believe me, I go give it a grade when me finish. If me belly not run. But me I tell you. In a pan fire, it's on fleek. Dumpling and butter thing, yeah. Wicked. Now I make none waste. You see me? None now waste. My first time trying this, I mean I make none waste. None. If you can't cook dumpling and butter, I don't want you. Realest food is. Woo! Nah lie. Big up to everybody with the my live stream. You see me? I told me say dumpling and butter. You need to try it. Guys, as you can see me try it. I can see the plate. Look. The butter done and left it 2 pieces of flour. Nah lie. Guys, you need to comment and tell me what you think about this thing. Comment and let me know if you ever have dumpling and butter. Take some. Nah, too craving. Whoa. You tell a lot of people about this. Because I don't want it done. Catch gravy from that side. I'm catch gravy. All the 29 minutes I wipe out all the plate. Woo! Real dumpling and butter. Nah lie. Dumpling and butter. Where were you? Last piece. Last piece. Father, I give thanks for this dumpling and butter. Oh, that hiccup there. Please bless this last piece. It's my first time and I'll be eating dumpling and butter again. But may I tell you, as I consume this dumpling and butter or eat this dumpling and butter, please bless me to do it again. You see me? And if you're not, you watch this, you're not get none. You need a flour and go take the butter out of your fridge, you see me, and do it yourself. You see me? Try it because you're not gonna regret it. You see me? Try the dumpling and butter. Kevin tell you see me? Look for my plate. Look for my plate. You see that? Clean. Spotless. You see me? You have to try it. You see me? The time if you can't manage afford steak, do like me. Dumpling and butter. You see me? It's a long time I didn't know about this still. But oh, guys, nah lie. Dumpling and butter thing, yeah. Nah lie, nice. Piece of flour there, so yeah, everything. Nah, tell you nah lie. Dumpling and butter thing are good. You see me? Don't forget to like, comment and tell me what you think about this. You see me? And please guys, please, we have 37% of Uno. I watched the video. You see me? And not like, and not comment, and not subscribe. Just subscribe now. You see me? Subscribe. Me just try dumpling and butter for you know. Me just try the dumpling and butter for you. You could have run my belly, you know. But me say no. Me gonna do it for you. You see me? So just do it for me, you know. The man with the dumpling and butter on camera for you. You see me? Just subscribe, man. And turn on your post notification. You see me? Cause I be your vibes over this, you know. You see me? Peace, love, unity. You see me? And God bless everybody. You see me? And put God first in everything you do. And don't forget, chase your dream. You see me? Chase your dream. You see me? Because everything is possible with God. You see me? Peace, love, unity. I'm out.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button.